Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to unlock agents in Valorant really quick. So basically Valorant is pretty different than other games because they give you agents like for example there is so many agents in here that they keep updating them each like 2 months or 3 months, but you can't really get them or buy them. So the only way to be ordered to get some agents in your account is by playing the game itself. So, for example, if you are a League of Legends player, you will be used to like play games, earn some RP or blue essence, and then you go to the shop, voila, and then you buy the champion or the agent that you want. But here in Valorant, you have to go to any agent that you want, and then you click on it, activate its contract, and then keep playing until you achieve that tier of contract that you will be able to play with that agent. So how we can make this process really fast? So first of all, if we went to agents and for example, like activated any champion, for example, for me, I want Killjoy, and currently I am on the, let me just check, I think the third. So let me just check real quick. Um, yeah, basically, let me just close this real quick. Here we go. All right. So as you can see here, click view contracts. I am on the fourth one. So how did I get all the way here in like 2 days of playing this game? It is pretty simple. First of all, in order to complete these, you'll need XP. So what is the fastest way to get XP? The fastest way to get XP is by playing with friends. So for each friend you get into your party, you will get 10% bonus. With 5 people, total you will get 40% bonus XP for your total XP gained per game. Now, they give you here multiple options of missions. There is this win of the day. This gives you 1k, daily missions that give you 2k per each, and weekly missions that there is I think 3 daily weekly missions. Each weekly mission will give you 16k to 20k XP. So after you finish all of these, basically you will be able to complete one agent per 3 days to 4 days per. So you can like get full agents in 1 month of playing. So just keep playing with your friends and get up and keep finishing these missions. Try to finish them as ASAP as possible, and of course, make sure that you have activated a contract. If you don't activate your contract, your XP will be missing, and you will be missing a lot. So yeah, guys, that's how you can get agent or unlock agent fast in Valorant. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.